Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Kaif, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from CSEI department. So today I'm going to explain about concept of probability theory and its application in real life. So let's go exploring probability theory. So in this concept we are going to explore about the exciting journey where we explore the fundamental concept and applications of probability theory to everyday life. So in the probability theory, we are gonna learn about the independent probability, that is P of A in universal B is equal to P of A into P of B. So as you can see in the pic. So next is the basics of probability theory. Probability theory is the branch of mathematics that deals with random events and their likelihood of occurring. Topics include probability distribution and expected values. So in this randomness of probability and probability distribution, expected value and the Bayes theorem will be included. So basically the randomness, the probability means understanding the idea of probability and the role of randomness plays in our everyday lives. And in the probability distribution learns we are going to learn about the different types of probability distribution, including the normal distribution and the Poisson distribution. And the expected value means the calculation of the expected value of random variable and interpreted result. And so in the Bayes theory, we are going to see the applications of the theory to reverse beliefs on the hypothesis basis on the new evidence. So the applications of probability theory are: probability theory is widely used in industry, technology, and science. It helps us make better decisions and predictions. Here are some notable predictions. Predictive analytics: use of analytic models to forecast trends and make business decisions. So the first one is the medical diagnosis, and the second one is the predictive analysis, and the third one is the stock market. So the first one is the medical diagnosis. In that we are gonna see access the accuracy of medical tests and the diagnosis disease based on the test results. And in the predictive analysis, we are going to see use of statistical models to forecast trends and make business decisions. And in the stock market, we are going to see market distribution using probability and improve investment strategies. Testing hypothesis with probability theory. Statistical hypothesis is testing is the process of using data to decide whether the concept of reject or hypothesis about a population. Probability theory is an essential tool for hypothesis testing. Hypothesis formulation is known as the state the null and research hypothesis and choose an appropriate test statistics. P-value interpretation. Understand how to calculate and interpret the p-value and make informed decision based on the result. In this, we are going to see type 1 and type 2 errors. That means identifying the risks associated with incorrect decisions and minimize them appropriately. So the challenges and limitations of probability theory are: probability theory has some limitations such as the inability to accurately predict rare events and the assumption of randomness. These challenges can affect the interpretation of results and consequently the decision making process. So the very first one is the data availability. It ensures an adequate amount of representative data is collected to produce accurate results. So the second one is the randomness assumption. Under that, we are gonna see understanding the potential limitation that come with basis analysis on the random probability distribution. And the third one is the prediction, imprecise prediction. So in this, we are gonna see acknowledgement the precise nature of probability prediction in certain contexts. It is not a crystal ball. So the probability theory in action is known as the probability. Thus, theory has a many interesting application in real world life. So let's explore some fascinating example. That is the lottery and the weather forecast and the poker. So in the lottery, we are gonna see understanding the odds of winning the lottery and evaluate the chances of winning. And in the weather forecast, we are gonna see learn how the meteorologists use probability models to predict the weather condition and make informed decision. And in the third one is the poker. It is the exploring the probability concept in card games like poker, learn how the strategy are basic on the probability calculation. So these are the three applications in the real world life. And the conclusion is the conclusion in the summary is the probability theory is an essential tool for understanding randomness and making informed prediction in many contexts. It has provided fascinating insights into various fields, from to financing to weather forecast and even gambling, that is like poker and gambling and etc. Understanding the principles and the concepts of can considerably enhance decision making, and this decision making skills can give you energy into the real world life. That is, the probability theory is critical in making reliable prediction and decision in various contexts. And the second one is the hypothesis testing is a vital component of probability theory. And the third one is the probability theory has challenges and limitations that can address to make an accurate conclusions. So this is the main conclusion of this today's topic. So thank you everyone. Like and share, subscribe.